Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the all-new 2025 BMW 4 Series. Buckle up, because this car is set to redefine what you expect from a coupe. First things first, let's talk about that design. BMW has really stepped up their game with the 2025 4 Series. The aggressive front grille, sleek lines, and the unmistakable sporty stance make it a real head-turner. The 2025 4 Series comes with adaptive LED headlights, a more aerodynamic body, and those iconic kidney grills, now with an updated, more refined look. Whether you choose the coupe or the convertible, you're getting a car that's built to impress. Step inside, and you're greeted by a blend of luxury and technology. The interior features high-quality materials, from premium leather seats to the intricate stitching on the dashboard. BMW's iDrive 8 system is at the heart of the cockpit, offering a sleek 14.9-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. With the iDrive 8, you get seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a cloud-based navigation system, and even voice control. And let's not forget the Harman Kardon surround sound system that turns every drive into a concert. But what's a BMW without performance? The 2025 4 Series doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you have options ranging from a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine producing 255 horsepower, to the beastly M440i with a 3.0-liter inline-6 engine delivering 382 horsepower. And for the real enthusiasts, there's the M4 with over 500 horsepower. With BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and adaptive M suspension, the 4 Series offers an engaging driving experience, whether you're cruising down the highway or carving up mountain roads. The car's handling is precise, and the ride quality is superb, balancing comfort and sportiness perfectly. Safety is paramount, and the 2025 4 Series is packed with advanced driver assistance systems. From adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist to the innovative parking assistant, BMW ensures you're not just driving in style but also in safety. The 2025 BMW 4 Series is more than just a car, it's a statement. A statement of elegance, power, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the 4 Series is designed to exceed your expectations. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the 2025 BMW 4 Series. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new 4 Series and what car you'd like to see us review next. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.